Let's take a look at 31, which is factoring. So we've got 9x to the fifth minus 15x to the eighth. Our first method of factoring is always GCF. So we're going to try to do that. And I see 9 and 15 are both divisible by 9. 9. Try it again. 3. I better go to bed. It is midnight. And if I look at x to the fifth and x to the eighth, I want to factor out the most x's I can, but I can't factor out 8 x's if this one only has 5. So it's always your one with the smaller exponent. So we'll factor out an x to the fifth. Now 9 divided by 3 is 3. I had 5 x's. I took both of them away, so those are gone. Minus 15 divided by 3 is 5. I had 8 x's. I pulled 5 away, so that leaves me 3 x's. And so we got 3x to the fifth times 3 minus 5x to the third. Looks like A, 31a. Now, I didn't really like this problem. I mean, I knew what they were looking for when I glanced at the multiple choice, but typically, when we're factoring, we like it to be in standard form, which means you go from your largest power down to your smallest. So I'd have negative 15x to the eighth plus 9x to the fifth. Now, they're still both divisible by 3. That's going to come out. They still both have 5 x's. That's going to come out. But our first term is now negative. So we'll factor out negative 3x to the fifth. Negative 15 divided by negative 3 is a positive 5. I had 8 x's. I pulled 5 of them away, so I'm left with 3 x's. 9 divided by negative 3 is negative 3, and all 5 of those are gone. And that right there would actually be our answer. I like this form because you'll find that some problems will just work so much better if you have it in standard form before you start factoring. But again, I knew where they were headed with this, so that's why I went ahead and worked it this first way.